welcome to Art 2. In today's video, we will discuss how to get more views to your Redbubble shop and convert those views into sales. Redbubble is a popular print-on-demand marketplace that allows artists and designers to showcase their work and sell it on various products such as t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, and more. However, with so many talented artists and designers on the platform, it can be challenging to stand out and get your work seen. In this video, I will share some tips and tricks that will help you get more views to your Redbubble shop and increase your sales. Optimize your shop. The first step in getting more views to your Redbubble shop is to optimize it. This means ensuring that your shop is easy to navigate and visually appealing to potential buyers. Here are a few things you can do to optimize your shop. Create a banner. The banner is the first thing that potential buyers will see when they visit your shop. Therefore, it's essential to create a banner that represents your brand and showcases your best work. Your banner should be eye-catching, high quality, and informative. Categorize your work. Make it easy for buyers to navigate your shop by categorizing your work. This can be done by creating collections or by using Redbubble's built-in categories. Categorizing your work not only makes it easier for buyers to find what they're looking for, but it also helps with SEO. Use high-quality images. High-quality images are essential to showcasing your work. Be sure to use high-resolution images that show your work in the best possible light. Also, make sure that your images are well lit and show the details of your work. Write compelling product descriptions. Your product descriptions should be informative and engaging. They should highlight the features of your products and explain why they are unique. Also, be sure to include relevant keywords in your descriptions to improve your SEO. Customize your shop. Redbubble allows you to customize your shop with your branding, colors, and fonts. Use this feature to create a shop that is unique to your brand and that stands out from the crowd. Promote your work. Once your shop is optimized, it's time to start promoting your work. There are many ways to promote your work, both on and off the Redbubble platform. Here are a few ideas. Share your work on social media. Social media is a great way to promote your work and get more views to your Redbubble shop. Share your designs on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. Be sure to use relevant hashtags and tag Redbubble in your posts to increase your reach. Collaborate with other artists. Collaborating with other artists is a great way to expand your audience and get more views to your Redbubble shop. Partner with other artists in your niche to create a joint product or to cross-promote each other's work. Offer discounts. Offering discounts is a great way to incentivize buyers to purchase your products. You can offer discounts through your Redbubble shop or through your social media channels. Participate in challenges and contests. Redbubble often hosts challenges and contests for artists and designers. Participating in these can help you get more exposure and increase your chances of being featured on Redbubble's homepage. Use paid advertising. If you have a budget, you can use paid advertising to promote your work. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to create ads that target specific audiences based on their interests and behaviors. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential to building a following and getting more views to your Redbubble shop. Here are a few ways you can engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Be sure to respond to comments and messages in a timely manner. This shows that you value your audience and are interested in their feedback. Create a mailing list. A mailing list is a great way to stay in touch with your audience and let them know about new products, promotions, and updates. You can use services like MailChimp or ConvertKit to create and manage your mailing list. Ask for feedback. Ask your audience for feedback on your products and your shop. This can help you improve your work and make it more appealing to buyers. Create engaging content. Creating engaging content is a great way to connect with your audience and build a following. You can create blog posts, videos, or social media content that showcases your work and provides value to your audience. Host giveaways. Hosting giveaways is a fun way to engage with your audience and incentivize them to share your work. You can give away products from your Redbubble shop or other prizes that are relevant to your brand. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization is important for getting more views to your Redbubble shop. Here are a few tips for optimizing your shop for SEO. Use relevant keywords. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions, tags, and titles. This will help your product show up in search results when people search for those keywords. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are phrases that are more specific and have less competition. Using long-tail keywords can help you rank higher in search results and get more views to your shop. Fill out your shop profile. Be sure to fill out your shop profile with relevant information about your brand and your work. This will help with SEO and make it easier for potential buyers to learn more about your brand. Link to your shop. Link to your Redbubble shop from your website, social media channels, and other online profiles. This will help improve your shop's SEO and make it easier for people to find your work. Getting more views to your Redbubble shop is essential for increasing your sales and building a following. By optimizing your shop, promoting your work, engaging with your audience, and optimizing for SEO, you can increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. Remember to be consistent with your efforts and to keep creating high-quality work that represents your brand. With these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to getting more views to your Redbubble shop and growing your business. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join us for the next video.